Hello everyone. I have little news. This is a really very quick video. I had a lot of people asking me to video part of our travels on our trip, and I have done that in the past a little bit, but it was suggested that I start another channel, and I don't really want to put these videos on my art channel or craft channel. These are just more travel vlog type videos. So I am starting a new channel. It's called Travels with Tanya, and I will put a link up in the top right hand corner if I can. If not, you will definitely find it in the description box down below, so do make sure to click on that more button and spot and see the link and hop over there, and I will be posting videos. Our trip has been delayed just a little bit, and right now there is no content on this channel. I'm going to try to get some pictures. I'm going to try to get some stuff up on it, but I will work on that as I can and show you some videos. Anyways, I hope you enjoy, and see you over there. Bye-bye.